Today's video is brought to you by Envato Elements.
Design better projects faster with Envato Elements. Get unlimited downloads of beautiful and ready-to-use templates for your digital projects. Create more with premium design assets, video templates, mockups, fonts, presentations, photos, audio files, and more, all with commercial licenses for extra peace of mind. Envato Elements will make any project better while saving you time, effort, and money. Get unlimited downloads with Envato Elements and start creating today.
Hey guys, my name is Steven Aceto. I'm the inventor of the Bee Raft, and I want to talk to you about what Bee Rafts are, what they do, and why you should start bee rafting. It's a thing. So let's get into it. So before we get into it, I would just like to point out this is not a site for visual effects by any means, but because I'm talking about bees and they're not the most exciting topic, you're not exciting, all right? Tell them. They're not the smartest either. I like when they do that. All right, but back to the subject again. So yeah, I want to give a shout out to the guys at Production Crate for the great Loki transformation effect. I'd also like to give a shout out to Grant Cook over at Film Learning, the guys at Cinecon.net for the Rick and Morty portal, because I love Rick and Morty. I'm a fan. I doubt that I'll be using it in this video, but they also have a bunch of great effects, and so I want to give a shout out to them. And I definitely cannot forget Creation Effects. Thank you guys so much for my bees. I love them. My bee whispering is exponentially grown since since I got the plugin. And again, this is not a video or a site for VFX, but I am a super nerd and I love doing special effects. That's just one of my jams. So all the links are below, and you can click on any of them and you can go right to the tutorials. If I come up with another effect, I might just throw something in for the hell of it, because, why not? Just keep it interesting. Then I'll put the link below and I'll talk about it later. And before I forget, please subscribe to the channel. I will be doing a series of videos educating, hopefully, people on how important bees are, because they really are. And we need them. It's pretty simple. So anyway, to all those guys that I mentioned, thank you very much, because you're helping me help another species, and respect. That's pretty cool. So a bee raft, by definition, is a flotation device made specifically for bees, with the sole purpose of giving them something to land on so they can drink water without drowning in different sized bodies of water. Okay. They work in pools, they work in fountains, they work in ponds, they work in barrels, they work in bird baths. They're great for your garden. Anybody that sees dead bees floating around, if you want to stop seeing dead bees, use a bee raft. Start bee rafting. Here's a bee raft. This is one example of a bee raft. Okay, so if you get a bee raft, you put it in the water, and that's it. You're done. You put it in the water, and after, I don't know, it takes anywhere from 5 to 10 days, and then this is what it does. It'll start attracting bees. If there's any bees in the area, it'll start attracting them. And then they'll start using it. And once they figure out what it does, they'll use it every day. When I first started testing them, I looked up what color bees are attracted to, because I wanted to know how to attract bees to it. So I Googled it, and this is what came up. So bees only see in ultraviolet colors, and it turns out the color they're most attracted to is purple, which happens to be my favorite color. So that's why the initial bee rafts are purple, because start with the best shot you got. And that's pretty much it. You just let it go. It's like I said, it's easier than recycling. So why wouldn't you? Thank you for watching the video up to this point. I know you didn't have to. I appreciate it, and please pass the word. Put this out there. Pass it on to friends. If you don't like people and you hate bees, pass it to them just to piss them off. Doesn't matter. If you want the lotus flower design, it's on sale now. Plus, they're decorative. So, that's a big deal. These smaller ones, the lotus flowers, are not made for swimming pools. The initial ones are made for bird baths, for your garden, that kind of thing. But we do have a lot more coming out, a lot more designs coming out. So please, think about it. Start bee rafting. We need bees because they make our food. And you can purchase it here on the link, or actually use this QR code. Use this QR code, and you can buy them via PayPal. You can buy one on the Facebook page, or you can just buy one on the website. And the links are below. Thank you for watching up to this point.